What's up, guys? Toast again from Fishyaker. Welcome back. Susquehanna River is still super shallow. Yeah, about as low as you're ever gonna see it. Still caught up at my buddy Gary today. Went up on the north branch. Went to one of the few accesses that had some decent depth really close to the launch. Went upstream a little bit. Hit a bunch of submerged rocks. Most of the fish we caught were deep. Again, the same pattern we've been hitting on the last few weeks now, but if you can get out, find submerged big boulder rock in, say, 4+ feet of water, that's where they'll be, especially if those rocks are blocking current in the deeper water with a little bit of flow, preferably close to an elevation change. So I started out using a downsized Senko style stick bait like I've been using lately. Caught some nice ones on that, but then the fish kind of even went lower as the morning moved on, and most everything else we were catching was caught on different Ned rig types of lures. Like I used a smaller size Thunderhawk grenade. Those are really cool, like a little dying bait fish. Basically fish like a Ned rig. This stuff is buoyant, so it actually floats up and sits vertically on the bottom. Hammered them on that. Most of the fish, as the day moved on, the fish actually got a little bit smaller though. I did use the new Thunderhawk A10 Junior. Got some cool underwater footage on that, but again, the bass were pretty slow, pretty lethargic in that summer doldrum, and they didn't really want moving baits. So again, most everything we caught were just hugging the bottom really slow in the eddies behind big rock. Alright guys, if you haven't yet, be sure to click and subscribe to the Fishyaker YouTube channel. Give us that thumbs up. Share the video on all your social media outlets, and we'll catch you on the water.
That's where I thought you'd be, but I didn't think you'd hit it that quick. At least let me get in the boat. There we go. Oh! What a decent fish. How'd that pull off?
So guys, same pattern we've had for the last couple of weeks. Fish are out deep on submerged boulders, a little bit of current going by. Just throw a weedless Senko style stick bait with no weight on it. Just let it twitch around like a dying little bait fish, and you'll catch a nice one like this once in a while.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.